This is just a chit chat with Auntie Mabel. It's just one of those days I just feel it's one of those my moment of reflection. How are you guys really? How are you feeling? Ask yourself, ask a friend, ask a sister, ask a mom, ask a dad, ask a brother, ask a friend. How are you feeling really? How are we feeling about this lockdown, pandemic, or you name it, what it is that has been going on for, it's lingering on. It's been lingering on for too long now, hasn't it? Hello guys, how is everyone doing? And how are you guys enjoying the pre-COVID lockdown in your end? In the UK, we currently have the lockdown is being opened up, but wearing of mask is kind of voluntary, but most people are still wearing the mask. I just feel I should just have a quick chat with you guys and just to check in on how everyone is doing, because I feel we really need to support each other to look after our emotional and psychological well-being. Yeah, just really to check on you guys, and also I just feel like having a bit of a chit chat, to be honest. Yeah, and what better time to do that than when the sun is shining like this? For those of us who live in a very cold place, who majority of the months of the year is cold, so the few months that we get the sun. So right, yeah, I think I'm just going to brave it and take off my mask and have a proper catch up with you guys. I've taken off my mask now, but where I'm actually sitting is like a pathway where people are walking by, so I might have to look for a less busy place so I just can sit down and have a quick chit chat with you guys. Yeah, I think I know I'm going to have to look for a quiet spot so that I can really talk without being interrupted. Yeah, this is me again. So yeah, I just feel I should have a gentle walk while I'm going to find a quiet spot to just have a chit chat. Wow, look at that. The moment I'm in the sunshine, everything changes. It's so amazing to be in the sunshine. You see why people go crazy in the sun in this part of the world when there's more months with cold weather than sunshine. So yeah, when the sun is actually getting in your face, it's just a different thing, isn't it? It gives you this sense of well-being. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just incredible. It's incredible how you just feel so different with the sunshine. Look at that, people. Look at where I was coming to sit down. Let me just show you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at when I say why we have to appreciate the sunshine. This is the puddle. This was where I was going to try and find a quiet spot to sit down and talk to you guys. So I've got no choice now. I'm going to have to look for somewhere else. Look at that, guys. I know some of you will always say I'm always looking for where there is water. I just love streams. I love it when it just it gives you this sense of peace and well-being, isn't it? Right, so you can't hear any noise here today because it's very noisy in the background, but when the days that is quiet here, when you very quiet, you can hear the noise of the water. But even if you're not hearing the noise, just you can actually have peace in the midst of noise. Sometimes when I just stand and just focus on that running water, it just gives me some sense of well-being, because I really feel we need to try and check up on each other, or check in is it check in or check up on each other from time to time. I think it's really important, because I don't know how you guys are feeling about it. This COVID has kind of just affected or impacted on everyone in very different ways, if you get what I'm trying to say. There are some people who are just taking, I don't know, will I say some people are actually taking things in their stride? Do you agree with me or not? Let me know in the comment section below. So you guys will have to bear with me. This sunshine is going in and out. Where I was going to sit, the sun is not there anymore, so I'm not going to miss out on this beautiful evening sunshine. It's actually after 6 p.m. here, but the sun decided to shine today. Auntie Mabel has to make the most of the sunshine, right? I have to make the most of the sunshine, guys. So instead of sitting down in the cold weather or whatever without the sunshine while I'm out, I'm meant to be out, you know what, guys, I'm actually going to take off my glasses. I like the sun in my eyes as well. Yeah, let's the few part of my body that is not covered, let it get some sunshine. Yeah, my eyes need some sunshine as well. This is just a chit chat with Auntie Mabel. It's just one of those days I just feel it's one of those my moments of reflection. Ask yourself, ask a friend, ask a sister, ask a mom, ask a dad, ask a brother, ask a friend, how are you feeling really? How are we feeling about this lockdown, pandemic, or you name it, what it is, that has been going on for, it's lingering on. It's been lingering on for too long now, hasn't it? Because it just feel like it's feeling as if 2020 just went by. It's almost like a year that never happened, or a year that it happened, but it was just a year that just went by. Majority of the world was in lockdown, and in the UK we were in lockdown throughout. We had a brief respite in around July last year. We went into lockdown again. We had a few months of, I don't even know what it was. But even now, the lockdown is being eased again, and the mask is optional right now. But a lot of people are not still comfortable not wearing the mask. To be honest, I still wear mask when I go outside. I just took it off now so that I can just talk to you guys. I don't know. How are you guys feeling really? How are you guys feeling? Let's really be honest and ask each other from time to time, and just find time to listen to other people and really find out, not just say, how are you? Fine, thank you. Just really find time to really hear people properly, rather than just, how are you? Fine, thank you. And really find time to listen to people and hear them and listen to them. I'm not very good at it, I must be honest. It's something I'm still learning. What are you guys doing to manage your emotions? What are you doing to manage your physical, mental, psychological well-being? For me, I do go for walks sometimes, like I showed you guys just now. I couldn't really show you guys around most of the part of this is my local park. It's one of the park that I like to go to most of the time for a quick walk or a long walk, depending on how I'm feeling. But today, because of the way the sun is, there are parts of the park that I really like to sit, stand or sit or just reflect or look at the flowing stream, pick some white berries. But I'm not able to show you most of that today because when I'm in the shade, it's very dark, so you don't really get the full picture of what it feels like to be out here. So, but there is so much going on. This train line is not too far from here, and the children are playing. Some are playing football because children are on summer holiday here at the moment. So there's so much going on. But at the same time, there are still parts of the park you can just sit down and just get some moment of peace, do some brisk walking, do some gentle walk, depending on what you are feeling at a given time of the day. So, yeah, I just wanted to have this quick chat with you guys. I hope it makes sense to you. It's making some sense, and I hope someone will take one or two things away from this. So please, don't let the pandemic get you down. Don't let this lingering on of, oh, the numbers are down today, tomorrow it's up, and you can work from home today, tomorrow you have to come into the office. I think everybody's just kind of confused at the moment. But above all, please, let's look after each other. And those of us who are in the cold countries, make sure when the sun is shining, just get yourself out, even for a few minutes, just to get some sunshine in your skin and in your body. And do some gentle walk, no matter how brief or how short you can. Let's endeavor to get out of the house and just move the limbs, move the legs as gently as possible. And if you have a friend nearby, try and make time to go for walks together. Even if the friend is not nearby, you can agree at a set time to go together. For example, your friend can even live in another country. You can just say, okay, we go at 2 o'clock. Then both of you can time each other, and so we go for 30 minutes. If one person is able to go longer on a particular day, motivate each other. Yeah. And even if you are behind, let me tell you a little secret. I have a friend whom sometimes we do this together. So even if I'm behind the time and I know she's ready to go, I don't tell her I'm behind. Just not to discourage her to go. I said, all right, yeah, just keep going, Yeah, we are leaving now. Yeah. Are you leaving now? Yes. If I won't even lie to her, I won't tell her I'm leaving now. I wish she just said she did. I said, all right, yeah, you start going. No, I said, yeah, I'm about to leave soon as well. I'm just getting ready. Yeah. So, and we just go, and I say, oh, please just go as long as you can. And today I might be going longer than before. Just do something to motivate each other. You don't really have to lie to each other, but by all means, if your friend is ready to go, you are not ready yet, don't do anything that will stop that friend from going, especially when you are not going to be doing it physically together. You are just supporting each other on the phone. So yeah, and the day you really feel you want to go, encourage the other friend, the friend to also make effort to go out as well. The friend might not be in the mood to go out on that day, but when you keep encouraging and motivating each other, it will be a good way to get around it. Yeah, you can see my face is glowing now with the sweat. That shows the sun really gets into my eyes and my face. Yeah, you can see the difference when I started, and after a few minutes you can see the sun really get into my face. So yeah, it's really good. I really enjoyed this chit chat with you guys today. So please, if it's just one thing you can take out of it, just take it out of it, and just leave me a comment in the comment section and just let me know what you feel about my chit chat. Yes, thank you guys. All right, and bye. I'll catch up with you guys next time, and bye.
Akhemokhan.